Okay, Comrade Chimurenga, tell us about your trip here. How are you finding things?
We have a delegation from the December 12th movement of over 12 comrades. Essentially, we came home. This is our home. This is where we plan to invest our time, our political commitment to be a part of this Operation Legacy. We will also be participating in the Congress, this extraordinary Congress, to show our total loyalty and total commitment to His Excellency, Comrade E.G. Mnangagwa, and as well as to go the way forward with our support for the entire Zimbabwean people, to show our love, to show our Pan-Africanism is alive and well, and that we hope that the legacy will continue to be protected, and we want to be a part of that history. That's why we're here.
And of course, you did support former President Robert Mugabe, and now he's obviously out. Your comment on that, on his ouster?
I cannot comment on that. That is really not part of why we came here. All I can say is politically, Robert Mugabe's legacy is there. It will never be diminished, tarnished, or disrespected. And as all Zimbabwe, we know what his contributions were. We know what his leadership was. And we know that he was, in fact, the spirit of the liberation movement, the spirit of ZANU PF, and that must be respected and must be also internalized to say we still recognize the importance of his contribution and his leadership for that period of history.